Hi, myself Muhammad Ramzan. My student ID mit181143, and this is my first assignment. I'm going to talk about the security tool called Nessus. I will show you the usage and advantages of those security tool called Nessus. Now, open the Google Chrome and in the search box type Tenable Nessus and scroll down. We'll find the website, and here you can see the website. Now you can see the downloads option. When you click on the download option, it will take to the next window where you see called the Nessus. Click on that one, and then now when you little scroll down, you will find so many security softwares you can use as per your requirements. Now for that one, we need to create the login ID for using the software, or you can use the free trial as well. You can see there are the first link called the free trial you can use by creating the login ID. So here I would like to let you know that I have already created the login ID and I'm going to use with my register login ID. So here I'm entering by the username and the password. So I entered my username now and I have entered my password. When I click on the sign in, it will come about my account where you can see there are three files. You can see the left window shows about the complete details, and when you click on the admin, it will show your admin details. You can use new scanning option. Here you can see these three files I have uploaded here. When you click on the new scan, you can see there are so many options to choose the one which we need. So when you click on the advanced scan, here you can see a general settings where I'm giving a general name of I'm just creating the general file with the file name, the name called general scan, and I'm giving the description as security advanced scan. Now I'm giving the target called online.mit.edu.au, and if you little scroll down here, you can add click on the live results, or you can save the file as well. When you click on the save file, you will see this can be visible here, the last option. When you click on the launch, you can see the data as well. Now see on the top, when I click on that one, it's running. The status is called running. On the right screen, you'll see the start time today is 11:37 p.m. and this is a local scanner. And that one, this is what I have given the details, and it's showing the same thing here. When I, you can see the host vulnerability and other options as well. I'm trying to show you what I have created the file, the details. You can see here the another details which are created for 9 minutes, and again when you click on the other file, it will show you the security things. See here the Nessus shows about the output and the port as well. See, you can play around the things with that one. Now vulnerability, you can see there are so many options where I can, on the right rail or the right screen you can see the vulnerability details with the diagram, and in this entire page shows complete information. When you click on the checkbox, you can use all. Even in the vulnerability diagram, when I click anything or any part, it will show the complete details of that. Thank you for watching this video. This is Ramzan.